Welcome to the Phone Optimization Guide 2025. Today, we'll explore how to maximize your device's performance. First, let's understand the key features and settings of your device that are crucial for optimization. Next, it's time to clear unnecessary data, like cache and stored files, to free up valuable space. Identifying resource-intensive applications can greatly improve your device's efficiency. Let's dive into app management. Battery optimization is key. Here are tips that will help you extend your battery life effectively. Keeping your device's software up to date is essential for performance and security. Let's see how to do that. Protecting your device and data should always be a priority. We'll cover important security settings. Let's unlock performance enhancements using built-in tools and features that come with your device. A great user experience is customizable. Explore themes and accessibility settings that fit your style. In conclusion, optimizing your phone regularly not only extends its life, but also enhances your daily experience. Happy optimizing!